तो अगर हम ईट के बारे में बात करते हैं तो ईट क्या होता है, अननोन जेंडर के लिए, डे के लिए, टाइम के लिए और थिंग्स के लिए सब्जेक्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए ईट क्या होता, इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, इट इज़ मंडे, इट इज़ 2 o'clock, इट इज़ माई ड्यूटी टू डू दिस वर्क, इट इज़ नॉन टू ऑल दैट द अर्थ इज़ राउंड, the child is doing its work, the government is doing its work, the jury has taken its decision, the children are doing their work, I had a little water, I gave it to a baby when it started weeping, it is my duty to do this work, it's my duty to do this work. Okay, the jury has taken its decision, they are doing their work, they are playing there are 4 students in room, I helped Mohan, it is I who help Mohan, it is I who am ready to go there, it is I who am ready to go there, it is I who are ready to go there. Okay, अगर हम बात करते हैं इसके बारे में, पॉजिटिव टॉक और नॉर्मल टॉक के बारे में, he and I will go there, he and I should go there, we and they helped the poor guy. अब नेगेटिव केस के बारे में बात करते हैं, I, you and he are responsible for the loss. I रहेगा तो my का यूज़ करेंगे, आई प्लस एनीथिंग रहेगा तो आवर का यूज़ करेंगे, यू रहेगा तो यूर का यूज़ करेंगे, ही रहेगा तो हीज़ का यूज़ करेंगे, सी रहेगा तो हर का यूज़ करेंगे, ही एंड सी रहेगा तो हम लोग देर का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, आई हैव डन माई बेस्ट इन द क्लास, यू एंड आई हैव डन आवर बेस्ट इन द एग्ज़ाम, you have done your best, you and he have done your best. ओके, अब हम बात करते हैं इस अदर और अनदर के बारे में. मोहन एंड सोहन हेल्प्ड इच अदर, ऑल ऑफ देम हेल्प्ड वन अनदर, बोथ ऑफ देम हेल्प्ड इच अदर, मोहन एंड सोहन साव देम सेल्फ इन द मिरर. ओके, अब हम बात करते हैं रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन के बारे में. आई नो द बॉय हु केम यस्टरडे, आई नो द गर्ल हु ही मेट, आई नो हिम हु हेल्प्ड हर, I know the student who are ready to go there, I know the boy who is ready to go there. Mohan who is my friend will help Sunil. The thief was punished, मतलब who के पहले कोई verb नहीं आता है. The thief who had stolen a watch was punished. ओके, अब बात करते हैं द प्लेयर हु प्लेज विद दैम कैन डू दिस वर्क, द प्लेस कैन डू दिस वर्क के पहले के बाद हु नहीं आता है. दिस इज़ द प्लेयर हु रन्स फास्ट कैन गो देयर. आई नो द बॉय हु दे से रन्स फास्ट, यहाँ पर देखो 3 क्लाउज है. आई नो द बॉय फर्स्ट क्लाउज, दे से थर्ड क्लाउज, रन्स फास्ट थर्ड क्लाउज. तो यहाँ पर हमको सब्जेक्ट का यूज कर सकते हैं हु का. ओके, आई नो द स्टूडेंट हु हेल्प द गर्ल, आई नो द गर्ल हुम दे मेट, आई नो द दिस इज द बॉय whom they have selected, this is the boy who they say runs fast. I know the boy and he is ready to go there, I know the boy who is ready to go there, I know the player whom they met, I know the player whom they met, I know the boy and they were talking about him, I know the boy about whom they were talking, I know the boy who they were talking about, this is the teacher who to whom none they want, this is the teacher who they went to, these are the players who they talk run fast, these are the players who they talk अबाउट रन फास्ट. अब बात करते हैं यूज़ ऑफ विच के बारे में. आई हैव द बुक विच माई फादर बॉट, दिस आर द टेबल्स विच वेयर प्रिंटेड बाय राजू, दिस इज़ द होटल इन विच दे स्टेड. ओके, उसके बाद हो जाता है दिस इज़ द होटल विच दे स्टेड. they killed the animals which is a criminal act, he says that he is a nice student which is not true. that के बारे में बात करते हैं तो that determiner pronoun conjunction, that book was mine, that was my car, he told me that they will go there. अब बात करते हैं द बॉय एंड हिज डॉग दैट केम यस्टरडे हैव कम अगेन, द सेम द ओनली ऑल फ्यू ये फ्यू द फ्यू लिटल ए लिटल द लिटल नॉन नथिंग नो वन, दिस इज द बॉय हु दैट कम यस्टरडे, दिस इज द सेम बॉय दैट केम यस्टरडे, दिस इज द ओनली बॉय दैट कैन हेल्प यू, आई हैव all the books that he bought, I have the few books that he bought, I have the little gold that she bought. Okay, see there is none that can help you. अब डिफाइनिंग के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. तो द बॉय हु इज़ हर फ्रेंड विल हेल्प यू, मोहित हु इज़ हर फ्रेंड विल हेल्प यू, द एनवे कंपनी विच इज़ यूएस कंपनी हैज़ इन्वेस्टेड इन इंडिया, हु इज़ ही दैट विल go there, God helps those who help themselves, this is the boy and his is a new car, this is the boy whose is a new car, one of his friends is a doctor, a friend of his is a doctor, this is the boy whose is a new car, this is the boy whose car is new, this is the boy one of whose friends is doctor, this is the boy a friend of whose is a doctor. Okay, the father of them is a doctor, these are the boys the father of whom is a doctor. the friend of me मतलब my friend, ये friend of me मतलब one of my friend, this is the table, the legs of which were printed by me, I know the place where they go, I know the time when they come, I know the manner how they do this work, this is such a nice person as wins our sympathy. Such a person as has come wins our sympathy. This is such a nice student as every teacher likes. This is such a nice student, every teacher likes him. Okay. There is no man does not wish to live. There is no tree that does not release O2. There is no trees but releases O2. This is the car of Rohan, who is my best friend. This is Rohan's car which was painted by Karan. Okay, I have the books of history which my father bought. No, उसके बाद I have sent the books to Patna which my father bought. Wrong. I have sent the books which my father bought to Patna. Right. Who did that work? Whom did they met? Whom do you live? Who is ready to help him? Who do you think can do this work? Who is ready to go there? Who are ready to go there? Okay. With whom do you live? Who do you live with? Which of the boys can do this work? Which boy can do this work? Which of the students will go there? Who will go there? Whose is this book? Whose book is this? Whose are these chairs? Whose chairs are there? This book was bought by him. What was bought by him? What क्या होता है? Hidden, unknown, that none or given. I do not know that what he bought. I have the books that he bought. I did not understand what the teacher taught. I did not understand the concept that the teacher taught. Whomever, whatever, whichever. You can do whatever you want to do. You can teach whomever you want. I will teach whoever comes to me. तो ये था आप लोगों का, मैंने पूरे प्रोनाउन को अपने तरीके से पढ़ाया। आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया होगा, मैं आशा करता हूँ, लेकिन तब पर भी मैं आप लोगों को हर दिन पढ़ाऊँगा। ओके बिकॉज़ मेरे को पढ़ाने में अच्छा लगता है।